Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the two-port network transformation and condition for reciprocal in terms of inverse hybrid parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Two-port network parameters. There are various parameters are available. We are going to express all the parameters in terms of inverse hybrid parameter and also condition for the reciprocal. Now we'll see the what is inverse hybrid parameter. There are various types available. This inverse hybrid parameters refers G11, G12, G21, G22. So we are going to express all the parameter in terms of this inverse hybrid parameter. Now we'll see the description for this all the parameters. First G11, I1 by V1. Open circuit input admittance I by V, so that is called the admittance. Both refer input voltage and input current, so that input admittance. First two parameter having open circuit, output port is open circuited. Remaining two parameters short circuit. So that it is called a hybrid and inverse hybrid. Both short circuit and open circuit are available. So I1 by V1, 1 refers input side, I by V refer admittance, and first two parameter coming under open circuit. G21, V2 by V1. So open circuit voltage gain, output voltage by input voltage. So that is coming under voltage gain, open circuit voltage gain. Then G12. G12 is I1 by I2. These two parameter coming under short circuit. So I by both are current available, so current gain. Normally I2 by I1, output current by input current, but here input current by output current is available. So reverse current gain, short circuit reverse current gain. G22 refers V2 by I2, short circuit output impedance V by I, so that impedance. Output voltage, output current, so that it is output impedance. So first two parameter open circuit, remaining two parameter short circuit. In first two parameter we have input admittance voltage gain. Second two parameter current gain and output impedance. Both short circuit, voltage open circuit, current in terms of voltage in terms of current available. That's why it is called a hybrid parameter. Normally in Z parameter, the current is voltage is expressed in terms of current. In Y parameter, current is expressed in terms of voltage, but here both are available. That's why it is called a hybrid followed by inverse hybrid parameter. Now we'll see the transformation one by one. First refer the Z parameter. Z parameter is open circuit input impedance, open circuit impedance parameter. Voltage expressed in terms of current. 1 divided by G11 minus G12 divided by G11, G21 divided by G11, delta G divided by G11. This delta G is nothing but determinant of the inverse hybrid matrix, delta G. So the denominator all are G11 is available, only numerator is different. Then short circuit admittance parameter, delta G divided by G22, G12 divided by G22, minus G21 divided by G22, 1 divided by G22. Denominator here G22 is available for all, numerator is different. Then we'll go to the transmission parameter. This transmission parameter normally used for designing the transmission line, ABCD parameter. 1 divided by G21, G22 divided by G21, G11 divided by G21, delta G divided by G21. So in the denominator G21 is available for all the term, numerator is different. Then inverse transmission parameter, A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Minus delta G divided by G12, minus delta 22 divided by G12, minus G11 divided by G12, minus 1 divided by G12. Here also G12 available in all the term, denominator. The numerator is different. So we know that this delta G is nothing but determinant of the inverse hybrid matrix. Now we'll see the remaining two, hybrid and inverse hybrid matrix. So we are going expressing every term in the using the inverse hybrid, that is G11, G12, G21 and G22. This hybrid matrix is given as G22 divided by delta G minus G12 divided by delta G minus G21 divided by delta G, G11 divided by delta G. The delta G available in all the denominator. Numerator is different. So now we express all 5 parameters. Z parameter, Y parameter, A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, in the transmission parameter and inverse transmission parameter, then hybrid parameter. Then what is the condition for reciprocal? If the two-port network is reciprocal, what is the condition? G12 equal to minus G21. This is the condition. If it is there, then the network is called as a reciprocal. So in this video, we discuss how the two-port network parameters are expressed in terms of inverse hybrid parameter and also condition for reciprocal. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.